Welcome to Combat Fitness.
How did you feel about the effectiveness and the quality of the training that we did?
Oh, hands down, it was amazing.
1 to 10, definitely a 10.
It wasn't even physical. It was the mental aspect, honestly.
If you had a 10, that was a 10.
Yeah, it was just nice to not have to think about things going.
I feel stronger, the clothes are fitting better.
Said you guys made it so easy for me to just show up, and as long as I showed up and did the work, like it was so easy, you know.
Lost a bunch of weight, learned a lot about nutrition and portion sizes, so that helped me a lot.
When you look at where I was in January as to where I am now, it works.
It has been amazing. I feel like I have achieved a lot of more than that.
We are all about sustainable, permanent results, and that's what this is.
I'm more than happy with everything. I'm thrilled with everything.
I mean, the program, man, was amazing. Like I said, it's the strongest I've ever been, the fastest I've ever been. I mean, it's just now with the structure and, like I said, the knowledge. I'm way better shape than I was 10 years ago.
If you really just sit and think about it, you probably know what you need to be doing or what you should be doing. It's more just actually doing it and kind of taking that leap and deciding to go ahead with it.
You have to push beyond your limits.
Is this something that you would recommend to other people, and then why or why not?
Absolutely, and I have recommended it to other people. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it.